So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the Oasys Learn and Earn campaign at CoinGecko. This campaign is available to all CoinGecko users and you just need 400 candies to participate. If you're new to the channel, do make sure to like and subscribe to be updated whenever I post a new video like this. Let's get started. So on your CoinGecko dashboard, tap on the candy bar at the top. You are going to need the minimum of 400 candies to participate. However, if you don't have up to 400 candies, you can be doing daily login to stack up your candies. Tap on the reward section and you are going to see the Learn and Earn. This Learn and Earn in particular, Oasys Learn and Earn. As you can see, you are going to need 400 candies to participate. So there are a bunch of tasks that you have to complete in order for you to be eligible for the reward, and I'm going to walk you through. The first thing that you are required to do is to redeem your code, so just tap on redeem now. 400 candies is going to be deducted from your dashboard in order for you to get the code. You can scroll down and locate your codes. The first task is to complete the task at Ocean Dict, so just tap on the link. I will recommend making use of Mrs. Browser to complete this first task. I've already made a video tutorial on how to set it up, so I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. Make sure you watch that video tutorial because I've explained how to add MetaMask extension on Mrs. Browser. So this is how the interface looks like once you tap on the link. So all you are required to do is to just connect your wallet. Just tap on MetaMask and sign into your wallet. The next thing that you are going to do is to connect your X account. Once you have done so, tap on Start Quiz. You'll be required to join their Telegram, so I'm just going to copy the link and just join their Telegram. I'm going to leave their Telegram link in the description of this video. Upon joining the group, come back and tap on yes. The next thing that you are required to do is to fulfill some requirements. So what you are required to do is to just follow them on X. Then the second task is to just retweet a post, and that's pretty much it. Once you have done the necessary, tap on entry to verify your task. As you can see, application completed. You can also decide to input your email, but this is optional. The second task is to add Oasys to our CoinGecko watch list. So just tap on the link and it will take you to your CoinGecko profile. So just tap on that star icon. Once you have done so, you'll be required to screenshot the page. The last task is taking a quiz, and you are going to require your access code in order for you to take the quiz. Once you've copied the code, the next thing that you are going to do is just tap on the link. You'll be redirected to this page. Just tap on Mission Take Quiz. Scroll down and input your access code. Once you have done so, tap on Enter. This is how the page looks like, so just tap on Start. You'll be required to input your registered CoinGecko email. The next thing that you are required to do is to select your nationality. So the answer to this question is up to you. This question in particular, you can select any answer that you want, but make sure not to select more than 3. And you can also copy what I just chose. So I'm going to leave the quiz answers, you can just look through them. So for the following questions, these are the answers. And that's pretty much it. The last thing that you are required to do is to upload the screenshots that you just made earlier. Once you've uploaded the screenshot, then just tap on yes. Make sure you review your answers, then tap on submit. And that's pretty much it. I have a Telegram group where I post crypto airdrops, so if you're interested, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. If you like this video, do make sure to like and subscribe to be updated whenever I post a new video like this. Subscribe.